Colonel Rinan D. Patanser, to our ACOPA, Police Lieutenant Colonel Robert A. Dulcesa, to our ACOPO, Police Lieutenant Colonel Miguel B. Mangingan, sir, my batchmate from base BLC 1998, other officers present, PNGOs, good morning. Today marks the end of my tenure as CESPO at this station, and at the same time, the beginning of my non-duty status or NDS in the police service. So for 3 months and preparation for my retirement. The primary function of CESPO is to assist the Chief of Police in the implementation of plans, programs, and policies that will promote the programs and the welfare, morale, discipline, and development of personnel. In short, CESPO is the alter ego of the Chief of Police. Any programs, plans, and policies that the Chief of Police would like to carry out or put into actions, the CESPO is always there to assist and support him. On the other hand, as I stand before you today, I feel with emotion, looking all the familiar faces that have been such an integral part of my journey. It's hard to believe that the time has come to say goodbye to a career that has lasted over 26 years, 9 months, and 8 days. It has truly been an honor and a privilege to serve in this department alongside with dedicated people of the Metro East. Over the years, I've had the opportunity to work with some of the most remarkable people who have taught me, supported me, and helped me grow professionally and personally. I've learned so much from each of you, and the memories we built together lingers on forever. This journey has been filled with challenges and everything in between. Today, as I prepare to embark on a new chapter in my life, I want to take a moment to reflect and express my deepest gratitude to each and every one of you who's been a part of this incredible ride. It truly has been a privilege to serve and work with you all. So before I end my message or my speech, let me quote from the motto of the MPD. Go, spread the word, tell passers-by that this little word men knew how to die. So sa lahat ng mga nakasama ko dito sa Mandaluyong CPS, thank you for everything. This has been a great ride. So thank you for the good times and sweet memories we shared together. So mabuhay ang PNP, mabuhay ang APD, mabuhay ang Mandaluyong CPS.